Hi, did you know that if you whisper to Alexa, it will whisper back to you? So you might wonder, why on earth would you want to do this? Well, you might have this pumped up full like this. And if I was to say, Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:58 p.m.
Now, if you were doing that in the middle of the night when everybody's asleep, you might wake them up. But check this out. The volume's still full. If I whisper to it, it will whisper back to me. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 2:58 p.m.
How good is that? So in the middle of the night sometimes, if I want to know the time, I can whisper to the Alexa in the bedroom and it will whisper back to me without waking up the whole house. And it doesn't just work with the time. Alexa, what's the weather like in Florida?
Currently, in Tallahassee, United States, it's 24 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies.
So it's a really nice little feature.
Showers.
Still going.
28 degrees.
Alexa, stop. So it's a lovely little feature to use in certain circumstances. Thanks for watching.